Welcome to What's Next in Commercial Real Estate in Southwest Florida with Gary Tasman. I'd like to talk today about the idea of investment themes and how do you find and really nail down where the next growth, development growth is going to occur, and by understanding that, find opportunities within those growth corridors. Early in my career, I learned the idea that you just follow the utilities, and that's where you invest in property, whether it be vacant, improved land and unimproved land, all the way down to stabilized investment. You follow the utility growth, which follows the road growth, which follows the demographic growth. So you want to be in an area before the demographics get there, which basically is planning, understanding the municipal planning that goes into a growing community. And I want to talk about just a few areas where I can give some examples. If you think about 951, the corridor that Collier Avenue goes from Marco Island up to I-75. We all saw that corridor develop from really a sleepy 2-lane road to then getting some utilities installed. So there was now water and sewer available and improved electric service available to that corridor. And then widening the road, and then curbs and gutters and sidewalks. And all of a sudden you saw this very nicely improved 4-lane road with all of this vacant land around here. Had you known that little sleepy 2-lane road was going to become a 4-lane road, was going to have water and sewer available, and all of the land around it would then be prime for development, you could have been able to acquire that land at the much lower prices that it was trading for before those improvements took place. Now, if you go drive that corridor today, you're going to see thousands and thousands of residential units. You're going to see groceries, hospitals. You're going to see all of that density that infilled into that corridor because of the public sector infrastructure that took place. Think about Ben Hill Griffin and Treeline from, let's say, from Alico or from Corkscrew all the way up to Daniels Road. Well, if you knew the plan of the Port Authority to extend Treeline, or if you were aware of FGCU's plans to really fully develop out that area, you could have been like there were so many others that saw that growth because they were informed with the utility expansion plan and the roadway expansion plan, and could have gotten in at the beginning of that growth or early on that growth. And now if you look at it today, there's a regional mall, again, there's FGCU, there's a great expansion of the airport, there's direct access to the airport, and all of that public sector infrastructure created value at every investment tier for developers and investors. So I think that the message here today, more than anything, is in Southwest Florida, we are going to grow. If you take the time, or let us educate you on where that growth is going to occur based on where the utility expansions are, based on where the demographic trends are going, we can help you identify areas that are ripe for prime investments.